Welcome back to another edition of VLP's 2020 Champions for Justice Pro Bono Awards. In this installment, you're going to be meeting attorneys from two local law firms. The first is Tim Graber, and Tim is from Gibson, McCaskill, and Crosby, where he serves as their pro bono coordinator. In addition, he also volunteers and did so numerous times at our Say Yes legal clinics. He also served on the Say Yes legal task force.
And I think what hit home with us, or me in particular, was that, students in Buffalo who had good grades and qualified and were admitted to colleges, and Say Yes was able to come through with financing for them in order to pay their tuition. He said there's still more to it. He said we really need a team effort. And he spoke about the legal component, and he explained how, because of legal problems, certain students, even though the financing isn't a problem, and even though they're very good students and were admitted to many colleges, they still can't do it. So that's when I think what hit home with us, and I talked to my partners at the firm, and we decided it was really worthwhile to get involved. And we're glad we did. I think the attorneys I work with here, in particular the younger attorneys who come out to the clinic, really get so much through working with people and explaining things to them and using their legal skills to give back. So it's been great for the firm and great for our attorneys here who volunteer. One person comes to mind because she was one of my first clients, and she came back on many occasions. She was involved in a matrimonial, and she was trying to help her child, who was in the Buffalo public school system, get to college. And because her matrimonial was not, her divorce was not finalized, she had a lot of problems with financing and so forth, and just things she needed to do to help her son. And she just needed a little help to get over the roadblock. And the VLP and Say Yes Buffalo, through providing her with this clinic, were able to do that for her. And I think in the big picture, just that little help meant so much to her and to her family. And that's when it really hit home how worthwhile this program is. And then a program like Say Yes Buffalo and the VLP comes along, and it gives you an opportunity to help others and to give back. And it makes it so easy to do. You just have to be there. You already have the legal background and the education and the training. And a lot of it is just, carve out a little time from your schedule and be at the clinics and talk to people. And they make it so easy. It's literally like, just getting in the car and putting it in drive. Because once you're there, all the clients are screened. The facilities are there, the program's there, and there's just so much work that's going on behind the scenes. And that's, all the folks that Say Yes Buffalo and the VLP that really make this work. And the lawyers, I think we have the easy part. Again, we just get there and just draw upon our training and our skills and our experiences. But it's a good feeling to be able to give back. And I would like, again, because I realize sitting here, I'm very humbled to receive the award. I don't know that I'm deserving, but I'm humbled and honored to receive it. But there's so many people that, everybody at Say Yes and everybody at the VLP that really makes this work. I think they're the unsung heroes here. And, and then all the other attorney volunteers at my firm and other firms that are here. I think I accept this on behalf of all of them.
This next award is for VLP's low-income taxpayer clinics and is going to Derek Wheeler. He was a staff attorney at VLP, but when he left to go into private practice with Andriozzi Bluestein, he took with him a number of cases which he continued to handle pro bono. Since then, Derek has also continued to volunteer with us, and we're honoring him today.
Low-Income Taxpayer Clinic is a federally funded program that provides legal assistance to those that cannot afford an attorney for federal tax controversy issues. Because for many of them, they had no idea that this could happen. And while maybe fixing a tax issue is not going to be a huge change in their life, it at least can help them get on the right track. It might provide them additional sources of income, and it can provide them hope, because previously they might not have believed that somebody could be in their corner. So I think it's incredibly humbling to represent pro bono clients and to provide the service to them, because they never anticipated that this could even be a possibility. So one case that really stands out to me, representation of a very elderly woman who had all her retirement funds stolen by her advisor to the tune of about $400,000. And through that theft, she accrued a tax liability of several thousand dollars, despite the fact that the theft resulted in her paying tax on the money that was stolen from her. So what we were able to do through the Low Income Taxpayer Clinic was apply for refunds through theft loss for all the money that was stolen. And not only did she end up not owing any money, she received about a $43,000 refund, which, while not recouping all the retirement money she had stolen from her, it at least provided her money to live off of and pay necessary expenses that she otherwise would not have had access to. So that one really sticks out to me. So being able to provide that service and be part of the program is incredibly rewarding, and achieving results for clients that may have never had a chance without you is incredibly rewarding. And I highly recommend any attorney, whether it be in tax or any field, to provide pro bono assistance, because you're going to affect change that is going to go well beyond the results that you achieve for the clients. It's going to affect change in the community. It's going to affect change for people's families. I'm incredibly grateful for VLP, and I'm incredibly proud to receive this award, and I'm incredibly proud to continue to work representing clients to ensure that their rights are protected and they receive the correct results and can proceed on with their lives knowing that there is somebody in their corner and VLP is in their corner.
Thank you again for having joined us today. Please watch all the videos in this series so that you can learn about all the outstanding award winners in VLP's 2020 Champions for Justice Awards. And please visit our website at ecbavlp.com to help support VLP. Thank you again.